Wait. Go this way too. Push it down. But yes, that's gonna go in there.
Watch this.
No, no more birds. It's gonna make your belly hurt. What?
And the cow jumped over the moon.
More.
And the cow jumped over the moon.
And the blog jumped over the sentence.
And the cow jumped over the moon.
And the soccer ball jumped over the
Y'all's
moon.
rooms are clean,
Man,
spotless.
I don't really know.
Mine
You need to
is.
go look. I told you to do your chores. Did I not?
Oh, right.
Oh,
I'll go look.
this doesn't belong on the counter. Hairbrush doesn't belong down here.
What did I use? There wasn't pasta today. There was cheese with.
Go clean your room, Bailey.
Okay.
Emily, you too.
What did I use?
Go make sure your room's clean.
Oh no, the world is ending!
Really?
Yes! I'm flying.
What's that game called?
And the cow jumped over the moon. And I could fly like the Superman too. When the cow jumped over the moon, everybody was in a bad mood. 'Cause they were super jealous of the cow. When the cow jumped over the moon, everyone else was jealous. Was in a bad mood. 'Cause they were jealous of the cow who could jump over the moon. And then the fork said, "Hey, you should go die. Hey, you should go die." The spoon was like, "No, everyone, love your lives and don't go commit suicide." And then some random guy was like, "Let's play football." And I was like, "Shut up." Do. You will die today. Yeah. Go away and come. Stay and go.
Hold on. Can you pick that stuff up?
I say go away.
Emery,
Go
can you pick
away
that
and
stuff
come
up?
Yeah? My stuff is flying.
Pick up the blue magnet and put it with the red magnet.
Maggot. Oh, with the red maggot.
Magnet? Ew, this is disgusting. Oh, you're so
$30 years and now I'm here. You left to scream and feel strong. No tears. Look at me. Can you see how tough am I? All the time you're whistling, I get stronger. It's 5 Nights at Freddy's 3. I want you down and we'll see. What did I invent?
Oh my god.
I call it the mag foot. Okay. Random magnets spilling all over the ground. That's normal.
What's they eating?
No. 30 years from now. Oh, Dad ate my charger.
That ain't my charger.
Ah! Floating magnets!
Floating magnets. Oh, I thought you said floating maggots. That one makes sense. Oh my god, everything's floating. Yana, what are you? Remy, get off of every Tomar.
Oh no! It's taking my boat!
Oh my god, Remy, get off of every stuff.
Stop taking my boat! What are they? No! My boat! Ow! Did I give you my report card? Come back! And you all can know. This is what it looks like after a tsunami hit. At least my boat is standing up nicely. Oh my gosh, I'm in the SS something. Don't fall, don't fall. Yes, SS something, you saved my life. My boxies. Boxies. We're boxy brothers. And then we all fall. Spinning does not make your head feel better. It actually makes it feel worse.
Really?
Yeah, well, it's just a random square.
Whoa. Oh, whoa.
It's just a random square floating around outer space.
Yeah, it's a random orange square. Oh god.
At least something survived. Well, there's the magnets.
Magnets everywhere.
It's pushing things away.
There's a box.
It's pushing things away. I now stuck to my boat.
Try to swim into your boat.
Hurry.
Now make the
Oh,
stop.
the boat saved me.
You're inside the boat right now. Wow, this boat is helpful.
Doot doot. Doot doot. Doot doot. Doo 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 doo. I need to erase the word. Spread the word of erasing time. Kinda. And I kinda got to explore space.
And I kind of got Tootsie Rolls.
I need a gray pole.
Hey, they gave me one of those lip glosses over there that says black cherry on it. It's in a white box.
This white box?
No, over here.
Black
Do 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 do. Well, everything in the world is floating. And then when the world starts to end again, no, all hope is lost.